Hey there, John here with Ricker Creations. Happy Father's Day, everybody. I hope everybody's having a good one. I'm just going to do a real quick video for you. It won't be finished till tomorrow, but Harbor Freight has their own brand of wood glue, and they have it on closeout or clearance or something for 99 cents a bottle, and I figured I would buy a couple of bottles and test it out. And if it's any good and your Harbor Freight still has some, then it might be something good to have for a backup. All right, let's test it out. Okay, so here's what we've got. We've got a couple of pieces of 1x2 and a piece of 2x2. The 2x2 is going to be our end grain glue up. These are going to be our face-to-face glue up. And this is going to be a side grain glue up just to see how things will hold. The instructions say, clean and dry surfaces, apply glue liberally. Clamp parts together for at least 30 minutes. Wipe off excess while still wet. Wait 24 hours for full strength. It is 7:55 right now, so we'll check this again at 8 o'clock tomorrow. But let's glue these and clamp them up, see what happens. I have never used this. I didn't even know it existed until a couple of days ago when I went in Harbor Freight and was just walking around. And while we're just doing some glue ups, I wanted to take a minute to say thank you guys for subscribing to my channel. I try to bring you everything that you need. I know I'm geared more towards beginners, but I try to at least give everybody ideas of things to build and sell and tools to make, things like that. All right, see this lawnmower blade right here beside me? It's going to be used in a video that'll be released this week. I think it'll be a big hit with everybody. Okay, there's our end grain glue up. Now for our face grain glue up. I don't know how much difference there really is in any type of glue, wood glue, as far as that goes. The bottle says incredibly strong wood glue. So we shall see, I guess. Dries clear. Okay. Now our side grain glue up, which is what you would have if you were doing a panel glue up. These are some of the hardest glue ups for me for some reason. I will say this, I do like the bottle that this is in better than I do any of the other ones. And there we have it, folks. Everything's glued up. We will stop back in tomorrow and see what they're like. But I hope you guys have a happy Father's Day. I will I'll see. It'll be tomorrow for me, but it'll be just a few seconds for you guys. But I will see you soon. Okay, we're back. It's been 25 and a half hours. I let it dry a little bit longer than 24 because it kind of flooded in here last night. But let's check it out and see how the glue did. Now, the only thing that I've done to these since I glued them up was I moved them over to my glue drying table and stained my drying table. I did a live last night, and somebody said they think they might be phasing out the HFT brand name. So they might still make some Harbor Freight wood glue of some type. So if this works good, it's on Closeout for 99 cents. Let's give it a check. First, we'll check the end grain piece, see how it did. Hey, I believe that held pretty good. What do you guys think? That done really good. Okay, now for the face grain. Seems to be holding together just fine. Now, for the edge grain, like you would do for a panel glue up. Damn, yeah, I'd say that's really holding. So, yes, as far as I can tell, it works really good. I can't break the joints apart with my hands, so if you have a Harbor Freight, go in and check. If they've still got this on closeout for 99 cents a bottle, I would definitely grab a few bottles. That way you've got a backup. I do not know if it's food safe. It doesn't say so on the bottle, so I wouldn't use it for something like cutting boards. But it does say indoor, outdoor, so give it a try on some of your other outdoor projects, indoor projects, and see what you think. But I've got to say, I'm pretty impressed. Everything's held together so far. Man, damn, I can't break it if I want to. Oh yeah, definitely worth the money. 99 cents a bottle. It is a 8-ounce bottle. Same size as the Type Bond bottle. Same size as the Gorilla Glue bottle. So that might save you a little bit of money for a while. I would definitely jump on that if I were you. Anyway, I hope this helps. I'd like to save everybody money when I can. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I hope you have a great day. I will see you very soon.